Hello guys, how are you? I hope you are doing well. Today I am gonna talk about stress. So, what is stress? Stress is the feeling of emotional and physical tension. It can come from any feeling or thoughts that makes you feel frustrated, angry or nervous. Common signs of stress include sleeping problem, sweating, loss of appetite, and difficulty in concentration. When you are under stress for days or even weeks or months, you are at the risk of numerous health effects. Such risk may extend to your body and mind as well as your emotional well-being. Stress can play a part in problems such as headache, high blood pressure, heart problems, diabetes, skin condition, asthma, arthritis, depression and anxiety. So today I am going to talk about some of the side effects of stress. So watch the video till end. Let's get started. If you are new to my channel, make sure to subscribe. Number 11. Stress is a hormonal response from the body. This response all starts with a part of your brain called the hypothalamus. When you are stressed, the hypothalamus sends signal throughout your nervous system and to your kidneys. In turn, your kidney release stress hormone. These include adrenaline and cortisol. Number 10. Women appear more prone to stress than men. Women are more likely to experience more physical signs, trusted source of stressor compared to their male counterparts. Number 9. Digestive problems. Digestive problems may occur. Stress can make your digestive system, causing diarrhea, stomach upset, and excessive urination. Number 8. Stress can overburden your mind with incessant worries. You may be flooded with thoughts about the future and your daily to-do list. Rather than focusing on one time at a time, through these thoughts bombard your minds at all once, and it's difficult to escape them. Number 7. Insomnia. Insomnia may be stress related. When you can't quit down racing through at night, sleep may be hard to come by. Chronic headaches are sometimes attributed to stress. They are often called tension headache. Number 6. Difficult to breathe. With stress, you may even find it difficult to breathe. Shortness of breath is common with stress, and it can turn into nervousness. People with social anxiety often have shortness of breath when they encounter stressful situation. The actual breath issue are related to tiredness in your breathing muscle. As the muscles get more tired, your shortness of breath may worsen. In extreme cases, these may lead to a panic attack. Number 5. Immune system. Frequent stress decreases your immune system. In turn, you will likely experience more frequent colds and flus, even when it isn't the season for this illness. Number 4. Chronic stress. Chronic stress can cause substance abuse. People who experience a lot of stress are more likely to smoke cigarettes and misuse drugs and alcohols. Depending on this substance for stress relief can cause other health problems. Number 3. Weight gain. Weight gain from chronic stress is possible. Excessive cortisol releases from adrenal glands above the kidneys may lead to fat accumulation. Stress-related eating habits such as eating junk foods also lead to excess pounds. Number 2. High blood pressure. High blood pressure develops from chronic stress. Chronic stress and an unhealthy lifestyle will cause your blood pressure to rise. Over time, high blood pressure can cause permanent damage to your heart. Heart problems. Increasing blood pressure, stress and anxiety causes cortisol levels to spike with increasing blood pressure and heart rate. Frequent spikes in blood pressure weaken the heart muscle and could eventually lead to coronary disease. Number 1. Genes. Your genes can detect the way you handle stress. If you have a family member With overreactive responses to stress, you might experience the same. If stress is getting in the way of your health and happiness, talk to your doctor about ways you can help manage it. Aside from diet, exercise, and relaxing techniques, they may also recommend medications and therapies. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video or you learned something, share this video with a friend who wants to cope up with stress. Smash that like button and subscribe if you haven't subscribed already. Comment down below, let me know what you want. So guys, that's it for today. Bye bye, take care. You guys have a great day.